In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font for an entire Google Slides presentation. If you've ever spent way too much time manually updating fonts on each and every slide, I've got some good news for you. This method will help ensure your presentation has a cohesive and professional look throughout, saving you time and frustration. Let's kick things off by opening your Google Slides presentation. Once you're in, take a look at the top menu bar. You're going to click on the Slide option. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Edit Theme. If you're using an older version of Google Slides, this might be referred to as Edit Master, but don't worry, it functions in the same way. Once you've accessed the theme editor, you'll see a sidebar on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a series of slide layouts, but what you'll want to focus on is the topmost slide, often referred to as the master layout. Clicking on this slide is crucial as it governs the font and style choices for your entire presentation. Now, with the master layout selected, let's move on to the next step. Look for any text boxes within this slide and select one. You'll then navigate to the toolbar situated at the top of the screen, where there's a whole array of fonts waiting for you. Select the font that best suits your presentation style or your personal preference. Remember, the font you choose will be applied to the whole presentation, so make sure it reflects the tone you want to convey. You'll want to repeat this process for other important layout types. This might include titles, body text, or any other specific layout that's essential to your presentation structure. By ensuring each layout type has your desired font, you'll maintain consistency across your presentation. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to close the theme editor. Simply click the X or Close button. You'll find that the new font style automatically applies to all slides that use that particular layout, without any additional steps. And there you have it. Your entire deck now has a clean, unified font style, saving you from the hassle of manual edits on every slide. It's really that simple. By following these steps, you not only ensure your presentation is polished and professional, but you also free up your time to focus on content rather than formatting. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.